In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to gain 100 followers on TikTok every day. Keep watching. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you everything you need to do so that you can increase your followers every single day. But first, I wanna give a couple of shout outs to the comment winners of my last few videos. I wanna give a shout out to Brandon Cruz and Stream Assets. Hey, thank you guys for commenting and staying engaged. If you would like to be featured as a comment winner on my next video, comment on this video with your questions, concerns, any issues you may have, and also leave your TikTok profile username and you could be featured on my next video. All right guys, so posting regularly plays a major part in the TikTok algorithm. If you are posting 2 to 3 times a day, this is going to show TikTok that you are serious and that your content is being recognized by the algorithm. However, if you post today and then you wait a few days or you wait a week and then you post another video, you are not going to be favored by the algorithm in pushing your content to the For You page. Now, I've experienced this myself in posting once a week and seeing that my video wasn't picked up by the algorithm or landed on the For You page. Make more than one variation of that video. You never know what in each video will cause it to go viral. It could be a blooper, it could be your character, it could be what you're doing in the video. So do 3 different variations. Don't post them all on the same day or in the same hour. Post the second variation the next day and maybe the third variation the day after that. That way you have 3 different variations of the same video and something different in one of those videos will take off. So instead of just letting one video go viral and gaining all of the followers, likes, and shares from that video, create a spin-off series, episode 1, episode 2, episode 3. Create a series off of your most famous or most viral content. This is especially why people want to see more of that video, especially if it has over 1,000 likes. No matter what your genre is, the videos with the most likes on your page, that's what you should be creating more of. Capture something live that no one else is going to have the opportunity to see. So if I'm in California like myself and I'm going to the California State Fair and there's something going on there that someone in Florida or New York is not going to see right now because it's only in California during the summertime during this season, and maybe it's a lion doing something heroic, or maybe it's someone on a motorbike doing flips, any type of stunts, any type of live events going on that someone else around the world is not going to see, but they wish they could if they were in your state or in your city. Hashtags do matter, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this video is not necessarily a viral video, but I reposted it. I'm going to click on it right now, and we're going to pause that. Let's just go to the analytics of this video, and I'm going to show you that right there at the top, you see that the hashtag played 48% of this video, getting the 9,390 views. The hashtag. If I didn't use a hashtag on this video, there wouldn't be a 48%. And the hashtag that I used was hashtag don't spill challenge. Now, of course, this is related to a soda, don't spill challenge, a drink, not spilling liquid. My video wasn't at the top, but it was somewhere down, in the middle or at the bottom. Make sure you use a current hashtag that's related to the video. Now, also in this same video, the sound that I used, and I turned the volume down lower, but I still used it as one of the trending sounds at Stop Me, Brennan Ayert's Make It Bounce, right? So when we click on the analytics for that, it says that the sound was 2% of my views. It's not a lot, but imagine if that was one of the top trending sounds, out there. It could be up there with the 50%, of views, or the 48% as the hashtags. So using a sound and using the right hashtags do play a part in getting your videos views, likes, and shares. So make sure you are using something on your video that's current or trending. As I mentioned earlier, make sure you are posting videos frequently, because if not, you will slowly start to see your followers drop off. I don't know why this is happening. I know that on YouTube, they tend to drop off because YouTube is going through all of the dead accounts, the fake accounts, the accounts that are no longer active. That's their reasoning for you slowly seeing drop-offs on your subscriber base. I'm not sure if TikTok is doing this or not. You know, they could be following along with what YouTube is doing, but I do notice this only when I post once a week, or sometimes because I've been focused on a couple of other things, I slowly see my follower count drop off if I haven't posted. So I would like to believe that it's because TikTok is now doing what YouTube is, which is going through all of the dead accounts, the fake accounts, and removing those accounts. So alright guys, hey, I hope this video has been helpful to you. Make sure that you're actually implementing these things, these tips. These are things that I have used to help grow my account. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure you leave a comment in the video below and let me know, have you already tried some of these things or are you going to implement? Alright guys, so I will see you on the next video.